Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is their MH10 V2. Now they sent this to me directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. There's the back of the box. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up, see what's in. Take everything out of the bottom. You've got a CR123A adapter, or you can run the RCRs as well. Here's the holster. Now I first had my thoughts about these plastic ones, but they are extremely durable and they will handle whatever you throw at them. And we'll show you the light in them in a little bit. And this little bag here, I only have a clip in it. Let me take that out. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the light. And the lanyards are a really nice size. Worked with enough of them. And you get one extra O-ring in there. And you get a Type-C charging cable. That's some of the upgrades that they've done, was the 21700 cell and the Type-C charging, which is a lot faster. And we're going to show you the user manual. Now it's multi-languages, and because these specs are so small, I'm going to go ahead and post them on screen for you now. That way you can see them. And as you can see, 1200 lumens on the highest output, which is very nice. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get out the warranty card. Kind of magnetically sticking to it there. That's what that looks like. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. And here's the charging port here. Type-C. Charge it a lot faster. 2 amp is nice speed. A little bit of heat sinking here on the head, not much though. It's got some flat areas here on the head to help stop it from rolling. And you can table stand that. Style and design on this is very nice. A little bit of a strike action bezel going on there. Alright, so now let's go ahead and show you the clip. Put it on here, a little stiff there. What that looks like there. A little bit of resistance. Good for pocket carry. Turn it around to the port. I'll show you the holster with it. And put the light in there just like that. Open end. I wish Nitecore would put a swivel on there. It'd be really nice. Nice and easy to pull out of there. It does have a little bit of resistance when you're pulling it out, but that's nice. Really have grown on me with these holsters. Now the machining and finish on this is outstanding. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. This is running the Cree XP-L2 V6 LED. Try to get a good angle on that for you. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the insides. Tail spring, heavy duty. And there's a little protection piece here on the battery. And the battery that it comes with here is a 4,000 milliamp. This is a 21700 cell. This is a protected cell, so that's going to help you if anything should go wrong, especially when charging the battery in the light. Very much recommended. Have that added safety. Now the protection on the battery, of course, is going to be a lot less than the maximum output on the battery, so that's going to help with the run times. Now I can't take the head off the barrel of the light, so there's a spring down inside, as you can see. Now when you do go to put this on for the first time after charging it or taking the battery out, it's going to tell you your battery level here. Just screw it on, I'll show you. There's 4.1 volts on that battery, and we're ready to go. Let's go through the UI. Simple turning that on gets it started, or clicking it one time to turn it off. Click it back on. We're going to press and hold to go through those light outputs. You can hold it individually, or you can press and hold it down until you get to the light output that you want. I'll show you the beam. Really nice tight beam. Does have a centralized hotspot. A lot of bleeding around the edge of that, and here's the spill. It does have a pretty good cutoff, not a real sharp one, but it does. And then we'll just press and hold to go back down. Now if you do want to get to the special mode, you're going to double click to get strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash. And if you click that one time, it will shut it off. Click it one time. It does have memory mode. And I'll show that to you now. Up to that level there. Click it one time. Turn it off. Click it again. Comes right back to the highest level that you had it on. Again, that's a nice feature. Press and hold that again to go to the lowest light output that it has. And that's all there is to this light. Nothing difficult, really easy to use, which is always a big plus. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness, with the Nitecore MH10 V2. So let's go ahead and get started. Turn that on. Great for up close and personal. Nothing hard on that. So as you can see, close range it's fine. See about 10-15 feet. So that's nice. We're going to go to the next level here. See how it does. Nice little jump. See there, 65 feet on that tree there without issues. Let's pan around here a little bit. See how the range is. And we got this. And now we'll go to the next level. See how it does. Nice little jump. And making that tree of life 138 feet. That's impressive, especially for this light output. Beam is a tight beam on here. 65 feet there. Fence line, as you can see, doing really good. 35 feet to water spout. Really impressive light output for this size of light, that is. Great for everyday carry. Let's go to the next level. Look at that. Do a before and after here. Look at that. Making a school there, as you can see. Famous tree of life. Even making a tree behind it, 238 feet. Nice range. Making it to the playgrounds across the park. All coming from this little light. Pretty impressive. And we'll do a beam profile up and down. It's a tight beam. Good combination beam. Very impressive. And that's it on the UI. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Really nice beam performance on this. Definitely more of a combination beam. It's got some good range. Now another big plus for this light is the battery, as well as the Type-C charging, which also charges the battery faster, and you're getting way better run time with that 4,000 milliamp battery. The world famous Cree LED in here does a great job. That's what it's known to do all these years, and they keep upgrading the versions on that as well. I don't see any issues with build quality. Again, holster is nice, just a quick in, pull out, you're ready to go. There's no flap or anything on that. The open-end design helps if your light is on. Maybe you'll see it on the ground. Now I want to thank Nitecore for sending me this to review. Now remember, this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down in the description to the nitecorestore.com. That way you can get this. Also, you can use my special discount code, which will be there as well, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Nitecore lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.